let's do this meditation and focus on healing some chronic pain. So what we're going to do, if you guys don't know, if you do, play along, is we take 3 deep breaths in, and those deep breaths go in through our nose, all the way into our lungs, filling our complete lungs, like all the way down. I mean, like your stomach's going to pooch out and you're going to look like you're pregnant, but that's what you do. Big deep breath. We're going to pause and hold it and then let it out and through the mouth, right? So into the nose, out through the mouth with a pause in between. And this is how great way to reset your energy for anything. And a lot of my clients use this for anxiety. So we're going to just start here and I'm going to do it with you guys. We're going to deep breath in 1. Pause and release. 2, in. Pause and release. And 3. And so first we're going to visualize the part of the body that you are experiencing pain in. And just focus in on that area of pain. And first we're going to give that area love and recognition, understanding, and gratitude. Grateful that our body brings things into our awareness, and grateful for the healing that we have received and that we are yet to receive. And now we'll focus on envisioning that area of our body being filled with a gentle pink light, like a little cloud and a bubble filling that affected area. And then that energy is going to shift and move to a different color, like a light minty green. And that's going to spin and gently spin. And as it spins, it's going to remove any gray, dark, dingy, painful, stuck energy that is stuck in that area. It's going to remove emotions that do not belong there, past painful experiences, hurts, traumas. We're going to clear all of that out of that area. And we're going to sweep it into a big giant ball. And we're going to take that ball and we're going to fling it out into the ocean. Just toss it away and watch it sink into the ocean as the ocean cleanses and clears and relieves. And then envision like a waterfall flowing over you from the top of your head. Energetic water starts to flow over you, gentle blue water that will also cleanse, clear from the top of your head, down to your shoulders, your body, your feet. And that water takes with it all the stagnant emotions, energy, and pain, flowing down to the ocean as it continues to cleanse and clear. Then focus back in again on the area of pain. And then again, we're going to focus that beautiful mint tea green color energy flowing into that area as it continues to cleanse, heal, restructure, reorganize. Then that ball of energy is going to shift to a beautiful baby blue as it releases inflammation, heat, tension, pressure, pain, as it gently cools and restores and rebalances that area. And imagine that your body is taking in as much energy as it needs to heal. And then again, we'll seal that area with a beautiful white light. I'm going to just take a deep breath in. Say thank you to your body. We envision any remaining energy that we do not need, that the excess flows back to the earth to re energize and heal others that need that healing. And we'll surround your body in a beautiful white light to fill the cracks and the crevices and the holes the pain has left behind, sealing, regenerating, and restoring, rebalancing your body. And another deep breath in. And you can come back to the room and recenter and refocus.